Hey, what is going on? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Saturday morning. Reese's up here. The kids are downstairs playing their iPads, and we have a few sales to pull for this morning.
Yes, sweet.
So,
and we're up earlier. Like, it only took a week for us to get up before 9. I was reading something that's saying, like, if you can just do something for, like, 7 days in a row, it'll basically change your
create a habit, yeah.
Our bad habit is always just, like, kind of sleeping in through all of COVID and everything. We never really woke before, like, at least 8, but more like 9.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this week with them at school, we had to wake up at least by 7. So, and today, I didn't have to wake up at any time, and I woke up at 7. So, I guess maybe it works, or I don't know. But I'm happy to be up early. My first sale was this J. Jill linen shirt. I got that at the estate sale for $3. Sold it for $22 plus shipping on Mercari. All right, box D. So these women's Tom shoes for $28 with discount shipping. That was one of the Posher VA offers that got sent out, and the buyer accepted. I do have $5.99 into those. Alright, BD.
Oh.
Of course.
Right behind the Reese.
Of course. Excuse me. You gotta get up.
Reese, come here.
Get up, Papa.
Oh.
Did you just toot?
He tooted. Is it not BD? Is it BO?
I'm not sure.
Did we make Reese toot for no reason?
I don't think this is BO though. I might have just wrote it down wrong. I know I didn't sell this item yet. Let me try BP. Which is also over here.
Also over there, yeah.
Nope.
All right, so we're gonna pause it right here and find out what mistake we made. Yeah. We'll be right back. All right, so we just kind of searched through this section here.
Yeah, so thankfully they were just right here in BB, so maybe I just wrote it in our spreadsheet wrong. So yeah, this does happen, not often, almost.
Yeah, this is probably one of the first, and I don't know, less than 5 times that we've had to do this.
So it's nice because Chris can help me. Like,
even
if we have to look through every single box, it takes 10 minutes max, maybe.
Right.
So that only took like a minute because it was right there, and we started since I thought it was in BD, we started over here.
Right.
So yeah, thankfully it's still there.
But that was totally human error, right? Like we wrote down the wrong box on the spreadsheet, and so the data in your inventory system is only as good as the data you put in. So if you put in garbage, you get garbage.
Yep. So these are just a pair of Free People jeans. Like, I really didn't like selling jeans for the longest time. Then I started selling, like, a lot of men's jeans. And then I was like, well, these are selling pretty well. So started looking through jeans more. I found these Free People ones for $8.99 at Goodwill. They were in, like, perfect condition. So I was like, I'll try them out. But they took a while to sell. Let me see. Free People. I bought them back in March. 5 months, I guess. I don't know. I think some people might think that's an okay time frame, but I would rather sell them within 30 days, 90 days at least.
Right.
Or, I don't know. I don't know that I'd pick them up again unless they were like
super
maybe
cheap.
$5 or under, yeah. So they sold for $28 on Poshmark. So they got the Posher VA offer, which I think was $32, and then they countered at $28. So I was happy with that. More than double my money there, so wasn't that bad. It just took longer than I hoped it would.
This way so the light's not so harsh.
So these are some Fit Flats. These sold for $36.06 plus shipping. I have $9.84 into them, average cost of goods.
I'm sure you guys can hear our kids downstairs. They're just excited because they're getting to play their iPads for like the first time in a week.
Like, normally we give them 2 hours a day to do various things on there, and during summer and everything, they pretty much use that all the time. But this whole week at school, they had school, then they were just like so tired after school, which was so nice.
Yeah.
So they haven't really played it. So yeah, I'm sure they're very happy to be playing it.
Plus, their school is it's a school of technology, so they're on iPads all day at school.
They're not allowed to play games.
Right. It's all educational
Only school
stuff.
apps. So these are some Adidas. I've sold these several times over, but never this purple color. These ones sold for $35.15 plus shipping fairly quickly. I have $10.99 into those. All right, BQ. So these last two were just they sold to the same person on Mercari, but she bought them separately, so I did not try to say that I'm gonna make the labels.
Right.
Do one label because she had already offered on both, and I thought it would just be easier to accept.
And we've said it before that we do it that way. It's been a while, but yeah, if somebody buys two things from us in two separate orders, we do not try to consolidate the order into one, shipping and all that kind of stuff, because more often than not, in our experience, they have to cancel the order and then they don't buy back. So it just adds more steps and problems for us, so we just don't do it.
It seems like this person has been using the app for a while, so I think that they probably knew that they could have done it. Maybe they just... I find it easier. I'd rather just pay a couple extra bucks and not have to make a hassle trying to have the seller make a bundle. It's really hard to make a bundle on Mercari, so...
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm kind of thankful she just made two offers. So the first one was a pair of childhood shorts. These sold for $26 plus shipping. I believe I have about 25 into those. I bought them off the website straight from Childhoods, but you pretty much always get like a $5 coupon when you keep spending money with them. I wish every store would do that. And then a Riley and Crew shirt. Also my son's. This one I bought off Kitizen. I have $24.97 into it, and it sold for $26 plus ship as well. So basically making back my money minus a few bucks. So yeah. Yeah,
pretty easy Saturday morning.
Yeah, because we are again up early, so we normally wait closer to 11.
Right.
Time it's only 9. Now it's 9:40. So
yeah,
I think we're just gonna take them, and anything that comes in now, we'll just go out Monday.
Absolutely. We'll be right back after we pack this all up. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. Didn't take much time. Nope. Yeah, it is Saturday morning, so it's almost 10 o'clock. But yeah, yesterday we kind of, there was those bags over here that we went through and we tag teamed it and got everything all in the inventory.
Yeah, so on Monday it'll make it easy to just start photographing and not have to worry about typing. Typing it in is like, that's the thing I really don't like doing. I was saying yesterday, because often not like Chris, we often stop at the thrift store when we're out and about anyways. That's why I don't usually get to thrift for more than
long
30
periods
minutes
of time,
at a time, because he'll be in the car with the kids just waiting, so I don't want to make them wait too long, obviously,
just because they're awful in the stores. So
I was thinking I need to start typing in, because we have all of our inventory on a Google Sheet, which I can access from my phone. I just need to, because I'm sitting in the car doing nothing while we're driving home, I get have that all typed in already by the time we even get home, and then it doesn't get piled up in the corner. So I need
something
to
we could try.
Start working on doing, just being better about it. If not that, then typing it in as soon as I get home, because yesterday, that took us a couple hours to type it in because it was so many trips piled, and then I'm trying to remember, what color was on sale that day or something like that. But if I just do it right away, then I obviously have it fresh in my mind.
Fresh in the mind, yeah. Because our Goodwills, I don't think they do it the same way in every Goodwill, right? So yeah, the receipts don't specify individual items. It's more of a group of items. It's just annoying. But so unless it's fresh in your mind, at least in our area, it's hard to remember that stuff. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. We went through a lot of stuff yesterday. It looks worse than it did, but
filled back up. But yeah, that's what.
Took a lot of numbers off the bottoms of shoes, filled that back up, so that we can photograph that stuff. Oh, we still have not fixed our calendar yet, but that'll be soon.
Hopefully.
Yep. Yeah. But it is Saturday, and it's the first Saturday out of the kids, or with the kids out of school. So we're gonna spend the day with them, and we do have a birthday party to go to later for one of the cousins. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Just a quick little, I don't know, what was it, 6-7 items this morning, and we'll be back at you guys for what sold over the weekend. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you then. Bye.